Hello again, this is Skip, and I'm continuing the series on natural health business opportunities. I've talked a little bit about products, some things to look for when considering products, some things to look for relative to the marketing support, and the things that really make a difference in terms of your relationship with the product when you turn it into a business. This next series portion that I'm doing really is on the portion of the company itself and how you look at it. And before I go into all the specifics and outline, the critical specific steps that you need to consider, who the company is, who the leaders are, specific information about them. Before I go into any of those things, I want to kind of give you just a general thought as to the position of the company in the overall scheme of things. There are thousands of companies that have come and gone in network marketing. And up front, there's an awful lot of people with some great ideas. But when the company fails to provide the kind of expertise, experience, and previous success and, to the mix, when they fail to come up with those things, and they go into it with stars in their eyes because they got a great product, they generally fail. There are certain things that you look for to tell if a company is destined to fail or destined to succeed. And the quality of the leadership certainly plays a huge role in that. You might think of the company itself as a limousine service. Now, a limousine service is supposed to pick you up based on your simple call for assistance. They'll pick you up. They'll make sure that you're comfortable. They open doors for you. They take care of you all every step of the way. They make sure that you arrive at your destination safely. They avoid accidents en route. They do everything possible to support your journey so that you arrive safely where you want to go, and they do that with a minimum of input from you. So it's kind of one way to think of it, because the company is going to be your vehicle to get where you're going. That means that they have to be properly funded. They can't run out of resources en route. They have to know what they're doing so they don't get lost en route. They have to know what they are doing so that they can avoid the typical pitfalls that company startups tend to face. There's a lot of issues at stake when a company takes on a product in the network marketing industry. And there are ways that you can really look at and evaluate the quality of the company and their potential for success. And there comes a point when a company has gone through the pre-launch and they've established themselves when you get a really good feel for the ones that are going to succeed and the ones that are not. What are the resources? What do they put in place? What are their numbers? How do they stack up against other companies and those kinds of things? So when you're looking at the company itself relative to a network marketing opportunity, there's much to consider. And you have to make sure, we make decisions on so many things where we'll evaluate it closely, and quite often somebody will get excited about a particular product and what it's done for them. They'll turn it into a business, and they've not even taken the steps of the due diligence to check out the company, and are they really going to get it to market? And it's kind of unfortunate, because there's some really good products that never make it to market for lack of the kind of management and foresight, creativity required on the part of the company. So I want you to look at some things very carefully. And again, this just opens this segment and gives you a few things to think about. And then as I continue in this series on the company side of it, we'll take a closer look at some of the management issues, how they orchestrate their compensation plan, and those kinds of things, so that the company overall that you get involved with is solid and has the things that you need to take you to the place you want to go. You want people that have been there before you, that they know where they're going, they know what to expect when you get there, and they're qualified to lead you to that same place and ensure your success in the process. So, thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and like I say, there's going to be an ongoing series here. There's going to be lots of information coming your way. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you soon. Follow the links on the screen. Thanks. Bye-bye.